welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today's video is all about Amazon finds, some things that I've been loving that I've purchased recently. So some of these products are gonna be organization products, products to clean with, and just some other fun lifestyle things I wanna share with you guys. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Don't forget to comment down below and say hi so I know that you were here. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys is this Ziploc Bag Organizer. It is really pretty, as you can see. It is bamboo. So it has your quart, sandwich, snack, and then also the gallon. I definitely need to refill the gallon. So before I had this, I had boxes of Ziploc baggies just messy in the pantry. And this helps because you can just recycle those boxes and then go ahead and have a nice organized space for your Ziploc bags. So the next thing I wanted to show you guys were these Casabella water block gloves. So these are the best gloves that I've ever owned. These are the ones that I use when I wash my dishes, but you can get, you know, the other colors to do other cleaning in the house. I really like these because all you have to do is roll up this part right here and then it catches the water. So then the water isn't going down your sleeve. So it also has this textured area here, which makes it a lot easier to grab your dishes and them not slip out of your hands. These were recommended to me by a subscriber that DM'd me on Instagram and told me about them. And ever since then, I've been using them and I've been loving them. So definitely check them out. They are on Amazon. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to show you is this desktop vacuum cleaner. It is super cute and convenient to vacuum up things off of your office desk, and that's typically where I've seen this used. So it's really great for gifts for teachers, or if you are a teacher to have, you just need to clean up some shredded paper or whatever's on your desk. So I purchased this because I wanted to see how it works in other areas. So I went ahead and crunched up some Fruity Pebbles. So I have different sizes there, like small crumbs, and then I have bigger pebbles, Fruity Pebbles, so we're gonna clean that up. So when you wanna take it apart, you just go ahead and push this button right here. So as you can see, there is quite a bit of dirt in there already just from me cleaning. This is battery operated, so you just pull it apart with that button, and then you can see we have these batteries in here. Okay, so we got all the Fruity Pebbles in here. I'll go ahead and open it up. Let me turn it off and then open it like that. I don't want to spill it because you want to open this over your trash can or your sink. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to show you guys is this wireless charger. It is a dual USB, so you can charge multiple devices on here. Then it comes with this micro USB charging cable, so that's nice that it's included. You don't have to purchase it separately. It is slim, so I put it in my purse easy, my smaller purse. I also put it into my fanny pack if I need to, if I'm just like running errands or going to the gym and I need to charge my phone. And it also has these suction cups right here, so you just go ahead and you can suction your phone right to it, so it just like stays still. So I got this little case so I can store all of my cables, and it's just not so messy in my purse or in a backpack or anything like that. If you're traveling, perfect. And this fits right in there along with my headphones and these cords, multiple colors. I got the rose gold, and there's like mint and green and black and navy. So a lot of options there. So as you can see, everything fits in there perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and just place it in here like so. And remember, this is a small purse. So obviously if you don't have a super tiny purse, you can put it in any other purse, even better. I have my lip gloss because I always have to carry a lip gloss. I also have my little lash curler, and then my cards are deep down in there. I'm not gonna take those out, so I just stick that in there. Last but not least is I carry this little Ariana Grande perfume. I lost the cap, no worries. So that was just an example of it fitting into my small purse, as you can see. But if you have a bigger bag, if you're using a backpack, put it in your car, it works. It's really convenient. It's keeping my stuff organized and I don't lose anything, so that is always great. So next are these leggings. They are super affordable and they fit well. They are soft. I love how they have the wider band at the top for tummy control. They also have 2 pockets on either side. So if you're looking for a great legging and you don't want to spend a ton of money, definitely check these out. This is an amazing book that I found on Amazon. It's 365 Days of Positive Self-Talk. This is amazing if you're into like self-help books or you are trying to change your mindset. There's motivational self-talk messages, and it also includes dozens of helpful and informative self-talk tips, helping you understand how self-talk works and how to apply it in your life. I've already been loving this book and I'm just at the beginning, so I'll make sure to link this along with the other items down below. Okay, so the next thing we got are these sleep masks. This is by Imzu. They are the best sleep masks I have ever tried. They are light on your face, so they don't feel heavy or anything when I put them on. They have memory foam, so they're super comfortable on, and then they also have that contour, so it's nice for the bridge of your nose. Also around your eyeballs is that memory foam, or your eye socket is the memory foam, so the mask isn't pressed against your eyeballs. So next is this hat organizer. I love this. We have a few of our hats on there right now. It does hold up to 10 hats, and you just go ahead and use the Velcro and attach it to your hanger, and then it has the 10 clips that attach to your hat. So I love this, so we don't have our hats spread all over the house or on the floor. They're just organized. They're saving space in the closet like this. If you decide to hang up the hats by the brim, that is totally fine. It doesn't do any damage or leaves any type of impression. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will have the links to all of the products down below in my description box. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Also, let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see more of these types of videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.